Hello dear students, I welcome you to today's session and as you know we are doing chapter 3 economics, poverty as a challenge. We have started this chapter and in the last video we have discussed about the certain conditions where we find poverty in a very bad manner. I would say a very pathetic condition where people are leading a life of poverty. We discussed two typical cases of poverty. Okay? One was in urban area and the other one was in rural area. Urban में we discussed about the example of Ramcharan and rural में we discussed about Lakha. Got it? Both the cases that we have studied, many things that we have done. 33-year-old person, ठीक है, Ramcharan, 33-year-old person, and he has a family of 6 people. Remember, 6 people in family. I'm just writing the short form. You don't use it, okay? In family, where he has got his wife and 4 children. The eldest one 12 years old and the youngest 6-year-old. So he is earning around 1500 rupees per month and the wife is also working. घर घर जाके वो काम करती है. तो आप समझ सकते हो, you can understand that he is leading such a pathetic life and son is also working. Wife is working, ठीक है, and son is also working. बेटा कहाँ काम कर रहा था? Yes, the son is working in the tea shop. Remember, yeah. Now, this please understand कि wife शांता देवी is also working. घर घर में जाके काम करती है. वहां पे भी she is earning 800 rupees only. 800 रुपए ही वो कमा पा रही है. So you can see that the poverty is on such a high level where they can hardly bare minimum manage to get food for 2 times a meal a day. एक दिन में 2 समय का खाना भी उनको नहीं मिल रहा है. This was the major thing that we needed to discuss. And wife is working as a laborer, as a maid in the houses, and elder son is there who is also working in the tea shop. बेटा कितना कमा रहा है? How much is the elder son working? He is earning another rupees 300. So just see the condition. I mean 300 rupees per month. I mean in one day, the middle class families or the higher class families, one day they tend to spend 300 to 500 rupees. एक दिन का खर्चा होता है, वो महीने का 300 रुपए कमा रहे हैं. By the way, this is the data that is there in 2011-12 का ये डेटा दिया हुआ है. हो सकता है अब कंडीशन चेंज हो गई होगी. जितनी भी चेंज, वॉट एवर चेंजेस हैड हैपेंड, 300 से 3000 तो नहीं हो गया होगा ना. Might be now in the shop, the boy who is working, he might be earning 500 or 1000 rupees. Chalo, let's keep 1000 rupees because the money value has increased. So that is there. Then the elder daughter in the family, she is looking after the younger kids. 4 बच्चे हैं. तो boy is working, girl is working, and where we stopped in the last class is that nobody is thinking about education. पढ़ाई के बारे में कोई नहीं सोच रहा है. So you can see how deplorable the condition is. Same thing is there with Lakha. Okay, Lakha is staying in, कहाँ पे रहता है वो? He is living in Meerut. Okay, try to understand that he is living in Meerut in Uttar Pradesh. And कोई जमीन नहीं इनके पास, no land they have. गांव की बात कर रहे हैं हम अभी तो. This was the urban case that we discussed. Now we are discussing about the rural case. And whole day he works. कभी कभी क्या होता है, उसको दाल चावल कोई दे देता है. wherever he is working, he gets in place of cash, he gets paid in kind. Try to understand. पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं लोग तो क्या कहते हैं कि चलो ठीक है तुम थोड़ा सा दाल चावल ले जाओ. He feels good that at least घर जाके खाना खाने को मिलेगा, इसका खाना बना लेंगे तो हो जाएगा, he can manage. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि he has also got 8 members in the family. यहाँ पे तो फिर भी 6 members were there. Here he has got 8 members in the family. Just check, it is mentioned here. Okay. And 8 cannot always manage 2 square meals a day. पूरे 2 समय का खाना 8 लोगों को मिल पाना is also a tough task. Women spend the whole day chopping fodder. औरतें क्या काम कर रही हैं? They are living in कच्चा house. They don't have a पक्का house. झोपड़ी वाला, वो जो मट्टी वाला घर होता है, they are living there. And women are involved in household work only. Women are doing work in house. ठीक है. और कर क्या रही हो? गाय भैंस के लिए चारा जो होता है, बड़ी बड़ी घास जो होती है, उसको छोटा छोटा काटना है. Fodder. They are preparing fodder for the animals, collecting firewood in the fields. लकड़ियां कलेक्ट करके लेके आते हैं. And that is how they are working. Father is a patient. Father जो है, his father a TB patient. He had already passed away 2 years back. Mother also is now suffering from the same problem. तो पेरेंट्स की भी वो देखभाल नहीं कर पाए. I'm talking about Lakha. And now he is unable to take care of the family who is staying with him. गांव में जो उसकी फैमिली उसके साथ रह रही है. Lakha village में there is a primary school is there in the village, but Lakha can never go there. वो वहां तक कभी जा ही नहीं पाया. When he was 10 years old, he had to start earning. 10 साल का जब वो था. The same thing is here with the son of रामचरण. रामचरण के बेटे के साथ भी वही कंडीशन है कि वो छोटा सा बच्चा है, 12 years old and is working in the tea shop. तो अल्टीमेटली घूम फिर के कंडीशन क्या हो गई? इट इज द सेम कंडीशन. सो न्यू क्लोथ्स दे कांट थिंक ऑफ, एंड सोप एंड ऑयल आर लग्जरी फॉर देम. सच अ बैड कंडीशन. आप ये सोचो कि सोप एंड ऑयल आर कंसिडर्ड एज लग्जरी, कि साबुन अगर वो यूज कर रहे हैं एंड ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं तो दैट इज लाइक ग्रेट थिंग हैपनिंग फॉर देम, विच इज अ नेसेसिटी. एंड विद इन द टुडेज टाइम तो क्लेनलीनेस बहुत जरूरी है. ये एंड इन द नाउ द एरा दैट इज गोइंग ऑन, हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट सोप एंड ऑयल इज, यू कैन वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड. सोप तो अभी जान ही रहे हो, चाहे गरीब हो चाहे अमीर हो, everybody has to use that soap at regular intervals. Okay, I hope you all know about this. वो ऐसी दिमाग में आया अभी soap इसमें, I mean I was just discussing about the soap, that's why it came to my mind. I was just discussing it with you. Now what happens that poverty is there. Above cases of poverty that we are talking about, we need to understand that the major things that are creating problem here is, पहला क्या है? The first problem that is here is लैंडलेसनेस. जमीन नहीं है लोगों के पास. हाँ, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट कि अगर थोड़ी जमीन होती तो शायद थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई होती, बट यहाँ पे मेजर प्रॉब्लम इज लैंडलेसनेस. देन सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम दैट इज देयर दे आर फेसिंग इज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. ढंग का काम नहीं मिल रहा है. ऐसा नहीं कि करना नहीं चाहते हैं, दे वॉन्ट टू वर्क but they are not getting proper work. Unemployment is another factor. We always talk about increased population, big families. So that is another major condition which is creating problem here is the size of family. Isn't it? Size of family is also a matter. Then another problem is पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं. क्यों? 10 साल का बच्चा था तब से वो काम कर रहा है. Lakha has started earning since he was 10 years old. पढ़ाई करने का टाइम कब मिला? एक 10 साल के बच्चे को जब आप काम करा रहे हैं, and he is sent to earn for the family. where does he have time to study? Okay, another thing which is creating problem in their family is poor health. Father had already died because of TB. TB is such a big problem कि अगर regular medication is not done तो the person will die. That is for sure. Very regular medication is needed in TB. Then malnutrition is there, poor health is there, खाना ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा है. That's why also people are falling ill. Malnutrition. Okay. And child labor, बच्चों से काम करा रहे हैं. They don't have a way out also, na? So child labor is there. The kids who are sent to work, इनको स्कूल भेजना चाहिए. They should send them to school, but they are not doing that. तो child labor आप देख लो. And then the biggest thing is that they are very helpless people. कहीं से कोई मदद नहीं है. Helplessness is there. Okay. All these things are creating problem. Please try to understand. 2 cases of poverty we have discussed just now, and we understand that the major problem here is hunger. भूख है, खाना नहीं मिल रहा है. They are not getting 2 times a meal. Okay. खाना जो मिल भी रहा है, there is lack of nutrition. वो बहुत सेहतमंद खाना नहीं है. It is not a very good food. I mean healthy food. Good food से मतलब है healthy food. Okay. तो in this situation, what is we are understanding is that the parents are also not able to send the children to the school. Because the parents feel कि बच्चा जो स्कूल जाएगा उतनी देर में कुछ काम करके पैसा कमा के लेके आएगा. That is more important for them. Okay. तो poverty means lack of clean water, sanitation facilities, regular job is also not there with these people. इनके पास काम भी नहीं है. तो decent level में they are not getting a job even. तो living with a sense of helplessness, मतलब बहुत ही असहाय स्थिति में रह रहे हैं. This is what is a critical situation of poverty. गरीबी ऐसी है कि उससे निकलने का कोई उपाय नहीं है. The people who are poverty stricken, they don't have a way out of this poverty situation. Okay. And poor people, they are always in a situation in which they are ill treated almost every place. थोड़ा सा भी अगर काम में प्रॉब्लम हो गई तो जो मालिक होते हैं, they know that the person is poor, helpless. कुछ भी करेंगे तो भी वो जो है काम ही करेगा. For with all the situations that are existing, if he is insulted or if he is asked to leave the job or he cannot tolerate if he is asked to leave the job. He is ready to work in all the conditions that are existing. हर तरह से वो बंदा एडजस्ट करने के लिए तैयार है. He is ready to adjust. तो nobody likes to live in poverty. गरीबी किसको पसंद है? Who will like to live in poverty and in such a situation? So the biggest challenge in the independent India here is to bring millions of people, इतने सारे लोग जो रह रहे हैं, out of this abject poverty. मतलब कि such a situation of poverty where people need to be taken out. And Mahatma Gandhi, अभी हम यहाँ पे we will discuss about some people, great people who have given their views on poverty. So Mahatma Gandhi always said that India would be truly independent. If we are talking about independent India, we have to see that India is independent in all the sense. And all the people who are living in India, they are living with respect and care. Okay. So when the poorest of the people are also becoming free of human suffering. गरीब से गरीब भी जो है they are free of any kind of human suffering. जितना लोग परेशान हैं उस परेशानी से इनको हमको बाहर निकालना है. That situation is needed. Now What does the people think? एक तो गांधी जी का हमने पढ़ा. What are the other social scientists thinking? Social scientists are those people who do a lot of research work in society. Okay? Social scientist. Anybody can be a social scientist. मैं भी हो सकती हूँ, आप भी हो सकते हो, ऐसी बात नहीं है. But then lot of detailed study is needed if to be a social scientist. Society में the situation that is prevailing, for that lot of detailed study needs to be done. And so social scientists, what do? They look at it through a variety of indicators. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसको assess करना पड़ता है. Lot of assessment needs to be done. तो सबसे पहले the major reason that social scientists find is illiteracy. Abhi we have discussed about it. In both the situations we found that illiteracy was one of the major things. Then malnutrition. खाना ठीक से नहीं मिल रहा है. If they are getting 2 meals a day properly, तो हो सकता है थोड़ा दिमाग काम भी करे. भूखा पेट में दिमाग भी तो काम नहीं करता. So the next one is malnutrition. Okay? बीमार अगर पड़ गए, such people, when they get ill or when they get sick, तो कहाँ जाएंगे, किस डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे? पैसे खाने के लिए नहीं है तो डॉक्टर के पास जाने के लिए पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे? Where will they get? So this is another thing that is important, is that they have lack of access to healthcare. Healthcare facilities are missing somewhere. Healthcare facilities. Healthcare health is wealth, people say. But then here we will see that hardly there is anybody to take care of their health. Okay. Then काम करना चाहते हैं but काम करने के लिए नहीं है. Job opportunity. Job opportunity. Job opportunity मिलेगी भी कैसे? They are illiterate people ना. Now तो छोटे मोटी जगह पे भी काम करने के लिए they say कि कम से कम 10 पास आदमी तो होना चाहिए. Should be at least class 10 pass. Job opportunity is lacking, is missing somewhere. So then another thing is खाना नहीं मिल रहा है, पानी भी तो पीने के लिए नहीं है. Safe drinking water. Drinking water is also unavailable. Isn't it? Sanitation. जहां वो रह रहे हैं, you can understand, एक कमरे में if 7 to 8 members are living, how dirty and filthy the conditions might be. Okay? इतने सारे लोग जहां रह रहे हैं वहां पे सैनिटेशन की प्रॉब्लम तो होगी ही. सफाई वहां पे नहीं मिल सकती है. सैनिटेशन इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम देयर. तो सोशल एक्सक्लूजन is one of the major things. 2 things that come out of this situation. 2 चीजें जो इसमें हमको समझ में आ रही हैं. So social scientists have said that poor people are facing social exclusion. Social exclusion. Okay? And the other one is vulnerability. Okay. Now what is social exclusion and vulnerability? These poor people are socially excluded from the mainstream. इनको अलग थलग रखा जाता है. People who are a little bit well off, जो थोड़ा सा भी पैसा जिनके पास होता है ना, they tend to keep these kind of groups away from their group. Okay. And then vulnerability. Very prone to poverty. अक्सर जो गरीब ही रह जाते हैं, that is vulnerability. And little bit of crisis also hits them the first. Aandhi, tufan, earthquake, any kind of natural disaster that happens will have a direct effect on Lakha and Ram Sharan. Okay, try to understand. Okay, these are the people who would be hardest hit if this kind of a situation prevails. Got it. So social exclusion and vulnerability, these are the two things that we will be discussing right now. Got it, children?
So students, just now we discussed about two situations, Ram Sharan and Lakha. Two cases were there. We have already discussed it. And many dimensions of poverty are there. We understand hunger, lack of shelter. Please remember all these things, okay? I have discussed it just now, but just for your revision sake, I thought I would just tell you once again so that it is more clear to you. Parents are unable to send their children to the school. This is one criteria. And sick people cannot afford treatment. बीमार लोग जो हैं उनको ट्रीटमेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिल पाती है बिकॉज दे बेयरली मिनिमम मैनेज टू अर्न 2 times 2 meals a day. तो बाकी की चीज़ें वो सोच ही नहीं सकते. और अगर कोई बीमार पड़ गया, इफ़ समबडी हैज़ फॉलन इल, तो इलाज के बिना हो सकता है कि उनकी जान भी चली जाए. And this is a very common and a very natural situation that we find in the rural areas also and in the urban areas as well, because the people who are earning money, they are mainly busy in just getting 2 times meal, और किसी चीज़ की इनको चिंता नहीं होती है. they are not concerned with any other thing. तो sick people, they cannot afford treatment. And lack of clean water drinking, पता है most important thing is that अगर गंदा पानी पिया तो बीमार पड़ना निश्चित है. And this kind of disease or this kind of ailment is really harmful for anybody. So lack of clean water, sanitation, lack of regular jobs at a minimum decent level mein lack of jobs are also there. So people who are facing these problems, they have poverty stricken people have a sense of helplessness. असहाय महसूस करते हैं, हमेशा उनको लगता है there is nobody to help us, there is nobody to help them. So they are ill treated or almost every place जहाँ भी वो काम करते हैं. If the owner or if the supervisor understands that the person who is working is very poor and needs work, तो these people tend to harass them. बहुत करते हैं और भी ज़्यादा. मजबूरी का फ़ायदा उठाने वाली बात है, लेकिन आई एम यूजिंग दिस टर्मिनोलॉजी, बट दिस रियली हैपन्स. कहाँ कहाँ पे होता है? You can see it is mentioned here in farms, factories, government offices, hospitals, railway stations, etc. Okay, so nobody likes to live in poverty. किसी को भी गरीबी में रहना पसंद नहीं है. That is very obvious. Everybody wants to improve their situation, लेकिन हालात ऐसे होते हैं that they are unable to come out of that poverty stricken times. सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या है? इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया इज मिलियन ऑफ पीपल आर देयर हु आर आउट ऑफ इट्स पीपल आउट ऑफ एब्जेक्ट पॉवर्टी. मतलब द पॉवर्टी दैट कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व्ड और द पॉवर्टी विच डज नॉट हैव अ सॉल्यूशन. that is there. It could be truly independent. महात्मा गांधी said, हम बड़े बड़े लोगों की भी बातें समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. That Mahatma Gandhi had said that India तभी independent होगा, it would be truly independent only when the poorest of its people become free of human suffering. अमीर आदमी तो अपनी खुशी का इंतज़ाम कर ही लेगा, उसको कभी भी प्रॉब्लम होगी नहीं. अगर प्रॉब्लम होती भी है तो उसके पास हजारों सॉल्यूशन है. बट फॉर द पुअर पर्सन इट इज ओनली when they come out of their suffering, they become free of human suffering. That is clearly mentioned here. So just now I discussed with you about the concept of social scientists, isn't it? So there are a lot of indicators are there, and it relates to the levels of income and consumption. कितना इनकम है, कितना खर्चा कर रहे हैं, all these things matter. And now what happened, social indicators are there कि आखिर वो कौन लोग हैं जो बाहर इतना गरीब रहते हैं और गरीबी से बाहर नहीं आ पाते हैं, unable to come out of their poverty. Okay, who are these people? So illiteracy level is there. सोशल इंडिकेटर्स मतलब इन जनरल सबकी प्रॉब्लम है. सोशल साइंटिस्ट से कि ये सब लोगों की प्रॉब्लम है, एक दो लोगों की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. एंड दे नीड फॉर कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट, ये सारे को मिलके ही एफर्ट्स लेने पड़ेंगे. एवरीबडी नीड्स टू टेक एफर्ट इन अ जॉइंट मैनर. तो लैक ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर, लैक ऑफ एक्सेस टू सेफ ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. बार बार ये चीज़ मेंशन की जा रही है बिकॉज मैल न्यूट्रिशन इज़ वन ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स. मतलब खाना नहीं मिल रहा है वो एक अलग चीज़ है, लेकिन पानी तक पीने को नहीं है, साफ पानी तक पीने को नहीं है. दिस इज़ अ सिचुएशन विच नीड्स टू बी एड्रेस्ड, विच नीड्स टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट. तो दो चीज़ें हैं विच वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज सोशल एक्सक्लूजन एंड वल्नरेबिलिटी. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ ब्रीफ आउटपुट. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो ऑल्सो. सोशल एक्सक्लूजन में क्या है? पॉवर्टी इज इन टर्म्स ऑफ पुअर पीपल, मीन्स पुअर विल लिव इन द पुअर सराउंडिंग्स ओनली विद अदर पुअर पीपल. गरीब आदमी गरीब के साथ ही रहेगा, बाकी के गरीब लोगों के साथ. हाँ, उसको नहीं सोचना है कि उसको अपनी हालत कैसे सुधारनी है. ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट द इम्प्रूवमेंट इन हिज सिचुएशन. Okay, so excluded from enjoying social equality. Of course, अमीर गरीब का जो भेदभाव है ये हमेशा बना रहेगा. And better off people in the better surroundings, ये सब चीज़ें जो है ये समझने वाली हैं. अच्छे लोगों के साथ उनकी बराबरी करना ये तो गरीब के बस की ही बात नहीं है. That is not in their capacity at all. Okay. And just see, this is the major cause as well as consequence. कारण भी है और इसका नतीजा भी यही है कि गरीब आदमी कभी भी अमीर के बरोबरी में नहीं आ सकता है. And he will be always in the case of poverty. That is what is to be decided. That is what is to be mentioned here. So it is a process through which individuals or groups are excluded from. कोई भी इनको they don't get any facilities, they don't get any benefits, they are deprived of any opportunities. तो they are betters, the people who are in a better condition, they enjoy all these things. ये सारी चीज़ें जो जिनकी कंडीशन थोड़ी अच्छी होती है, they are enjoying it, and as a result what happened, others their betters enjoy. So this is a typical example of the working of the caste system. इंडिया में जब हम इसके बारे में बात करते हैं, in the foreign countries a system that exists is called as the class system, but in India it is called as the caste system. Okay, so people who are from a caste are excluded from equal opportunities. They won't be getting any opportunity, and social exclusion that happens, it may lead to more damage हम जो सोसाइटी से उनको अलग थलग करके रखते हैं, एंड वी थिंक कि वी आर डूइंग अ वेरी गुड थिंग. नो, फॉर द सोसाइटी इट इज़ अ बिग डैमेज and it is a big loss which cannot be brought up, which cannot be improved. Okay, so it can cause more damage having a very low income. Then एक वर्ड है, इसको हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. वल्नरेबिलिटी. क्या कहेंगे? वल्नरेबिलिटी. ठीक है. इट इज a measure which describes the greater probability of certain communities. Means certain communities are there which are probably or likely to be kept poor all through. Poverty stricken, they will be always poverty stricken. हमेशा वो गरीब ही रहेंगे. These are called as the vulnerable groups. क्या कहते हैं? Vulnerable groups like members of the backward caste and widow, फिजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड. इनको बेचारा बना के इनको पीछे की तरफ ही रखा जाता है. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग मोर अबाउट वल्नरेबिलिटी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास चिल्ड्रन. टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. वल्नरेबिलिटी, गॉट इट?